In less than 3 minutes, let's talk about some things that you probably didn't know about the 529 College Savings Plan. What is a 529 savings plan? According to the IRS, it is an investment account primarily used for higher education expenses. These qualified expenses allow federal tax-free withdrawal of earnings, which can help families afford the ridiculous cost of college. Who can be a beneficiary to the 529 account? The 529 College Savings Plan is not just for your kids. You can actually name anyone as the beneficiary regardless of the relationship to you. So you can name your kids, your parents, your best friend, or a YouTuber like me. Can I open a 529 account to save for kids not even born yet? Yep, you can create a 529 college savings plan under your name, and then when your child is born, then you can redesignate the beneficiary to your child's name. So if you're planning to have kids in a few years, you can actually open up a 529 account now. Isn't the 529 plan just for the 4-year college? No, a 529 can be used for 2-year associate degree programs or vocational schools, trade schools, graduate schools. You can even use it for a flight school as long as you go to a accredited school. Am I the only one who can contribute to the 529 plan? No, so you may be the account custodian for the 529 college savings plan, but anyone can be the beneficiary and anyone can contribute to that 529 savings plan. So for example, I have a 529 plan with Vanguard for my daughter, and there's a barcode in there. It's called You Gift, and you scan that and send it out to your friends and families. Then they can contribute to that 529 account. Can I pay my student loan with the 529 plan? Yes, so since the passing of the Secure Act back in 2019, you can withdraw up to $10,000 tax-free to pay for the student loan. You just have to make sure that the name under the loan matches the beneficiaries. What should I do with the 529 if my kids choose not to go to college? You can change the beneficiary to a member of the beneficiary's family member, or you can change it to yourself if you want to go to college. What I would personally do is I'm just going to leave the money in the account in case my daughter doesn't want to go to college. Then I can pass it down to the next generation after another. So just remember, the 529 never expires. So, if the money doesn't get used, you can just leave it in there. What happens to my 529 account if I pass away? Your 529 account will be transferred to a successor that you designate. So when you open up a 529 account, make sure that you designate a successor. If you don't assign a successor, then that 529 account will probably end up in probate and have the judge decide who is going to take over. And you probably don't want to do that. Thank you for watching, and check out the new Fire video coming out tomorrow, Sunday at 9 a.m. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fire videos.